Welcome back to the channel, where horsepower meets pure adrenaline and the road becomes your playground. If you love the sound of roaring engines and the sight of muscular design, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic beasts of American performance, the 2026 Ford Mustang GT500. Buckle up, because Ford has taken this legend to an entirely new level. The 2026 Mustang GT500 isn't just another refresh. It's the definition of evolution, raw power, advanced technology, and timeless design all rolled into one. Ford didn't hold back on this one. They wanted to remind the world that the Mustang name still stands for dominance, and the GT500 is the king of the stable. Let's start with the heart of the monster. Under that sculpted hood lies a re-engineered 5.2-liter supercharged V8, known to enthusiasts as the Predator. But this isn't the same old setup. Ford has tuned it to deliver a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower, making it the most powerful production Mustang ever built. The sound, absolutely spine-chilling. Every rev feels like a thunderstorm ready to break loose. And when you hit that throttle, you'll understand what pure American muscle really means. But power isn't the only thing Ford worked on. The 2026 GT500 has gone smarter and sharper. The transmission now features a refined 8-speed dual-clutch system for lightning-fast shifts, and you can feel every gear change like a pulse of energy through your hands. Ford's engineers focused heavily on weight distribution and handling, using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber components to improve balance without sacrificing strength. The suspension setup is next level. The MagneRide adaptive dampers read the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting instantly for performance or comfort depending on your drive mode. Whether you're cruising the streets or tearing up the track, the GT500 keeps you planted and confident. Now let's talk about design, because, let's be honest, this car doesn't just move fast, it looks fast. The front fascia is more aggressive than ever, with wider air intakes, aerodynamic sculpting, and a massive carbon fiber rear wing that screams speed. The LED headlights are slimmer, sharper, and give off a menacing stare. The rear end, with its quad exhausts and redesigned diffuser, completes the look of pure intimidation. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect mix of race-inspired styling and modern luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring Recaro sport seats, digital displays, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that feels like it belongs on a racetrack. The 2026 GT500's interior isn't just about looks, it's built for control. Every switch, paddle, and display is positioned for ultimate precision. Ford also added a new 13-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch center touchscreen powered by Sync 5, offering wireless connectivity, track telemetry, and even customizable performance settings. Want to record your lap times or fine-tune your suspension for a specific track? The GT500's got you covered. But what really stands out is how Ford managed to merge tradition with technology. The Mustang GT500 remains a pure, analog-feeling muscle car at heart, yet it's backed by the smartest tech ever seen in a Ford performance machine. It's the perfect balance between raw instinct and digital intelligence. And for those who care about exclusivity, the 2026 GT500 won't be mass-produced. Ford is keeping the numbers tight, making this a collector's dream and a street legend. Expect new color options, carbon packages, and even a rumored track-only version that might push beyond the 800 horse mark. In a world moving toward electric silence, the Mustang GT500 roars back as a reminder that the soul of performance is still alive and screaming. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a symbol, and a statement that Ford still knows how to make hearts race. If you're a true car lover, the 2026 Mustang GT500 is the kind of machine that makes you believe in power, precision, and passion all over again. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and tell us in the comments, would you take the wheel of this 800 horsepower beast? Until next time, keep it loud and keep it legendary.